Eric Backer, the naturopath. Thank you for coming back. We're going to talk about gut bacteria, infants, and also cleaning agents. So a study was conducted in Canada some years ago, and this was reported actually in September last year. You can look at the link below. Canadian Medical Association, 757 infants. They checked them out when these kids were 3 to 4 months of age, and then later on between 1 to 3 years of age. It was this very large study. They did many stool samples on these infants, but they were looking for bacteria and to see if they could be linked up. The bacterial change could be linked up through a use of household chemicals. So, what they looked at was the use of cleansing agents in the house. Strong surface cleaners and aerosols and sprays, all kinds of products that people use to clean their houses. A lot of chemicals basically today. And they also compared that with eco-friendly product use. What they found was very interesting. They found that this group of children tended to have a lot less bacteria, particular bacteria, Haemophilus bacteria and Clostridia bacteria were down, but they found this Lachnospiraceae bacteria, another particular type of bacteria, up. Okay? So when they looked at the stool samples of these children when they're young and then compared these same children when they were between 1 and 3, the children who aged between 1 and 3, which came from households using a lot of these surface cleansers and chemical products, tend to have a higher BMI than the children who came from the households where they used the eco-friendly products. I must add though, what they didn't really look at also no doubt would have been the diet of these children. And you can well imagine the children coming from the eco-friendly cleansing households were a lot less likely to have, pizzas and fries and Coke every night, than the children who probably were using a lot of these cleansers, busy parents, corporate parents or something, or got cleaners in, spraying stuff all over the place. And I can't stand it when you walk in some houses and it just smells real chemical. Or if I ever go into an Airbnb or a hotel room and I can smell something, I just walk out. I remember last time I was in Los Angeles, I must have gone through 4 or 5 different hotel rooms before I could find one that didn't stink like cigarette smoke or that awful carpet deodorant that they use. So what about the old days? When I was a kid, when we used to use ammonia for cleaning agents and borax powder in the bathroom, and it's different today, the crap people use now. So just be careful of these cleaning agents, especially wiping children's hands down constantly with these little wet wipes all the time. So it's all bad for the environment, that stuff, and you're not really going to get very far in improving a child's life by constantly, cleaning all around it. And I just find it so futile. I find it quite comical actually when I see it on their aircraft and that, and in supermarkets where kids' hands being wiped all the time. Maybe they should put gloves on these kids' hands. What do you reckon? That's me for the day. Thanks for tuning in. Click on the link below if you want my free Candida report. Thank you.